In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WorkDrive Genie to edit locally. By the end, you'll be able to open your Zoho WorkDrive files right from your desktop apps and have your changes saved back to the cloud automatically, without any manual downloads or uploads. First, install WorkDrive Genie on your computer. Head to the official download page and grab the version for your operating system. On Windows, you'll get an installer executable. On Mac OS, you'll download a DMG file. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete setup. Once installed, Genie will start automatically and sit in your system tray on Windows or your menu bar on Mac OS. That small icon indicates Genie is active and ready to connect your desktop apps to your WorkDrive files. If your system asks for permissions during installation, allow them so Genie can open and manage files locally. With Genie running, you're ready to open and edit files from the WorkDrive web app. Sign in to Zoho WorkDrive in your browser and navigate to the file you want to work on. Click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions, and choose Open With, then select Default Desktop App. Genie will securely download the file in the background and launch it in the app your computer normally uses for that file type, like Word for documents or Photoshop for images. If you see a prompt requesting permission to open the file locally, approve it so Genie can pass the file to your desktop application. Make your edits as you usually would in the desktop app. When you hit Save, Genie can send the updated version right back to WorkDrive. If you've enabled upload on every save in Genie, the upload happens automatically each time you save. If that setting isn't enabled, Genie will prompt you when you save, letting you choose whether to upload the edited file. This is useful if you want to review changes locally before pushing them to the cloud. To fine-tune your experience, open the Genie icon from your tray or menu bar to access a few helpful options. Toggle Upload on every save if you want everything to sync the moment you save. Turn on Run on system startup so Genie is always ready in the background. If you ever need to troubleshoot, enable debug or log mode and use view logs to see recent actions Genie has taken. Keeping Genie running ensures a smooth round trip between your desktop apps and WorkDrive, so your files stay organized, backed up, and easy to collaborate on.